Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. Today I'm making this video because I had an issue with my car. I searched YouTube videos and I searched also Google, but I couldn't find information about removing the rear bumper. So this is an Audi A4. I replaced the headlights with a 2000 model, but it's actually 1995 model. So I wanted to remove the bumper. I haven't done it before. I watched some YouTube videos that said I had to unscrew these two screws here from each side and then unbutton the bumper from the side and push it out. But in my case, this particular car, it had the tow hook, as you can see, from the factory, which I didn't knew about it. I found out now after 6 years that I have the car, maybe more. And unfortunately the previous owner cut the cable and also lost this hinge here. Now I'm gonna buy one hinge and fix it again so it can work, but I wanted to remove the bumper to install the parking sensor, and I wanted to remove the bumper to do this. So I noticed that by unscrewing these two screws, the bumper didn't move. So as you can see here, in my case, I had also to remove a bolt that was coming from inside out here, and also I had the third screw because probably the bumper needs to be strong enough to tow trailers. With this setup, it has an additional screw. I'm gonna show you now. So basically, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 screws, and also this metal thing, the metal plate that goes on top here. In my case, it goes all the way to the back and has also a mounting point that mounts it on the frame and to the bumper. So basically, if you are trying to remove your bumper and you have the same issue, take a note of these things. If you had the third screw, and if you had also a fourth screw here that mounts this bracket, because this has a very long screw that screws also the bumper here. So if you plan to remove the bumper, please check if you have this, or if for some reason you have a third screw inside, like in my case. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.